Hey you guys, my name's Josh and I'm out here at Lee Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, and today I just want to go over a quick tutorial showing you guys how to take off the doors on your Jeep Wrangler JL models. With the weather starting to heat up out here, more and more people are looking to put their Jeeps into summertime mode, and I'm definitely here to help you guys out. Alright, so let's do it. Alright, so the very first thing that you're going to want to do before anything else is just make sure that you roll down the windows on all of your doors, and that's just going to make them a little bit easier to pick up and carry when you take them off the hinges and bring them over to your designated storage place. Okay, so now that we've got the window rolled down, the next thing that we're going to want to do is just disconnect all of the electronics in the door so it can make it safe to unbolt it and take it off its hinges. So you can see when I open the door, there's going to be this black plastic cover that houses the switch for disconnecting the electronics. So I'm going to push up on this red tab here until it clicks, and then I'm going to pull on this white clip so that it twists in the upwards motion, and that's actually going to disengage the electronics and disconnect them. And then I'm just going to take this loop that's attached to the cable, and I'm just going to pull it over this metal hook, and then you're ready to move on to the next step. Alright, so now that we've got the electronics disconnected, we're going to break out our toolkit that comes standard with every Jeep Wrangler. And inside it's going to have a ratchet. You're going to have a T40 bit, that's a long bit, a T50 bit, that's a short bit, and a 15mm hex bolt bit. So we're going to take this long T40 bit right here, and we're going to unbolt the door stopper on the inside of the Jeep door first. Alright, so now that we've got the door stopper loose, we're going to unbolt the outside hinges next, and just make sure to keep one hand on the door at all times because there's nothing stopping the door from swinging freely now. Alright, so you can see we've got two outside hinges right here, and we're going to switch to our T50 bit now. One more thing for when you're done taking out the outside pins of your Jeep Wrangler, you have the storage space in the trunk. Just underneath this instrument panel right here, you're going to have a spot that's labeled door hinges, and that's where you're going to be able to put all these pins right here. So that way you never lose them, you always know where they're at, and then when you're ready to put the doors back on, they're right here ready to go. Alright, so now that we've got everything disconnected from the door panel, I'm just going to grab from the inside of the window frame. I'm going to lift straight up, and the door is going to come off the hinges. And just like that, you can carry the door over to your designated storage space. Alright, so this has been my quick little tutorial on how to take the doors off of your Jeep Wrangler JL. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me on Facebook. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Be sure to like and share the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one that I make.